Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M5s and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we don't really have to scroll down because we have to take a look at this second section. Let's tap on connection and sharing and scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see in the other, we've got reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it. Here your device is again informing you what you will do. So let's tap on reset settings. Again, here it is informing that it might take quite a lot of time and you won't be able to enter this action. So remember about that. Just tap on OK to confirm and wait. You will receive the information just like here, that the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.